guest of honor, I recognize your protocol, and in the permission, allow me to recognize all other protocols equally, including the protocols of the leaders of the Boer community, and thank them for bringing up young, intelligent, talented youth. When I was told to come to attend this occasion, I did not know what to expect. But you have nicely shocked and surprised me with the level of attendance. And you have given me hope. I have always heard that the Boer people are intelligent. Today you have proved your intelligence. And you have challenged the 64 communities, you have challenged the youth of the 64 tribes in the Republic of South Sudan today. The theme of your event, strengthening democratic values of our country and leadership in the youth among the Boer community, is a hope not only for Boer community, but the entire Republic of South Sudan. Imagine if all our youth in the 64 tribes exercise leadership and compete for power peacefully as we have done today, then the whole country called the Republic of South Sudan is in peace. In fact, tomorrow we will elect leaders who have already practiced leadership. And I've said it in the person of Dr. Paul Fon and the doctor to be our brother Benyok Jok. You have stood as leaders and defended your manifestos, and you have shown that you cannot be angry even when you are challenged by the moderator. That is what politics is all about. I want to assure you that our president and his cabinet is working very hard to make this country stable and to end war forever in the country, so that the youth who are the powerhouse of community development and country progression can continue to not only exercise politics in the leadership of the community, but usher in development through the development association which you, the people of Boer, have chosen to have. And that gives us comfort that the future is in safe hands of talented, strong, well-trained youth who can hold this country together and take it forward. One day our president, when we were trying to join the Eastern community, people were opposed that South Sudan is still young, people are not educated, people are not experienced. East Africans will come and take our jobs and defeat us. The president said, I'm not afraid of that. I know that when our people are given a chance, they'll grab it, defeat them, and lead them forever. This is what you are doing. You're showing us that there is hope and that the country is moving forward. When tomorrow, when elections take place, these lovely two teams of border and border action for change should show us that when you are defeated, the first thing you do is congratulate your opponent. And promise to cooperate, to work with him, even if he defeated you, and to be accepted by the winner too. That is what democracy is all about. And so I'm going home, knowing also that our president is watching and is happily seeing his youth growing into leadership. And I'm going home as a very happy man. I would have a little whiskey tonight to appreciate what I've seen today. And for this, Asan Baeda economy atiriak. عندنا 25 مليون to the organizers of this event. We checked against the Ministry of Cabinet Affairs to represent all the members of the cabinet. And as we discussed with the Minister of General Education, he is to take responsibility for the vocational training center and board. And I will follow this with him and with other colleagues to make sure that this becomes not an empty promise, but a real promise. I've also challenged the Minister of Wildlife Conservation to make a contribution. I'm going to go black and blue with the wildlife in Africa. And I really jump into. So, you see, my colleague, Mrs. Zakaria, has added another 25 million for this program. ومبروك لكم أرجو كويس بسلامة وإن شاء الله يوديكم في كل مكانات تجيتوا من فوق بدون مشاكل. إحنا الآن جنوبنا يكون جنوب ده سلام باحترام وبكرة لما يجي انتخابات الكبير ده انتوا عارفين كبير ده مشكلة؟ أنا شايف فيه تاريخ ده نجيب ذاته. We will make sure that we learn from you, the youth, on how we will conduct our election in a peaceful manner. Thank you very much.